My name's Steve Harvey. I'm a 19-year firefighter with the City of Marco Island Fire Department. Prior to that, I was a volunteer for 8 years at the same department, and I'm a 2-time cancer survivor. Going through that is not something that I would ever expect anybody to go through. It's a very difficult time of your life. You don't expect someone that's in the fire service to get sick. I mean, you're supposed to be a hero. And people look up to you and you tell them you're sick, and they say why or how, but people don't tell us when we sign up to go to school that, you know, you have a high rate of getting some sort of cancer. Some of the things that helped me through going through it was family, friends, being positive, being a strong-willed person, and the first time I went through it, I was young, so it definitely helped being younger and understanding it, that being strong and being positive was the biggest thing, putting all that into the universe. They found my cancer through preventative maintenance in our yearly physicals through our department. If I had to give anybody advice and they were a firefighter, I would definitely be proactive, not reactive. I would definitely talk to your chiefs, talk to your safety committee. Make sure they're, like I said, proactive and not reactive. It's easier to prepare for the future instead of facing it when it comes. And get an initiative with your department. If you don't have physicals, make sure that, you know, you push to get your physicals, get with your union. If you have a union in your organization, make sure they know about such things and get them involved. It's very important.